Off his feet. Tries it again. Surely be one, there is only one.
All the wrist and that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
Well, I'm not really sure about that also.
Do not know how to describe that particular shot. It's only in the book of Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL. And he's cleared it quite easily. Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fielded trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now just watch this back. Just. Yeah. There you go. That'll do. Sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.